We have two words for you: cloud technology. On a new episode of Tech Lyceum, we are bringing you insights to stay one step ahead and maximize business value through cloud tech. Leading this journey into the future are two experts in the field: Senior Vice President Vikas Kumar and Digital Transformation Business Leader Tuhin Bose.
So if we look into cloud technology, it is fundamentally reshaping the way the manufacturing industry is working in several areas. Specifically, if you look into its adding to the agility and the scalability of that industry. For example, take an example of Boeing. They have been doing entire aircraft designing over the cloud using a collaboration and best of the engineers across the globe. Something similar has been adapted by the other companies like Siemens, which is into the high-tech manufacturing.
If you look at last over a decade, there has been a lot of cloud-based tools and platforms coming into the play, right? And these are the tools and platforms which are built in with the latest technologies like machine learning, AI. They are powered with Gen AI and all these technologies. Now, what these tools are capable of doing, they are able to provide these manufacturers an option to kind of integrate them, use them in their digital ecosystem.
Join us as we explore the depths of technology and innovation only on Tech Lyceum, a podcast from Birlasoft. Listen to the full episode on www.birlasoft.com.